edition of Throttle Pilot Vlogs for you. Today we're going to be going to another one of the feed stores that I know of. At the moment I'm currently leaving one. I should have been recording some time ago, but things turned out a little bit different. I just wanted to shine some light on the community behind the trucking community, man. Like, something I've really noticed, and it really it feels really great, is that everybody in the trucking community, like, it's like all the truckers communicate pretty well with each other. There's some assholes out there, but you don't really, you don't really run into them unless you're really trying really hard to be bad yourself, and that's hard to do when you're just trying to stay in your lane and just be a good person, you know. So pretty much gonna run into a lot of good people out here, but don't be you know, don't be a kiss A, but just be yourself. Be yourself and things will be beautiful. I love coming to work every day, man. Like, this is the job. I love this place. I love working for this company. It's like everybody I run into, it's just a great experience, man. I love it. It's awesome every day. Something new, good pay, no complaints. No complaints, just good people and good pay. Who could complain? The workload ain't even that bad. It's not even bad at all. It's way better than my predecessing industry ventures that I've had, like this. Yeah, so you see what I'm up against when I'm talking about that. Like, come on. Would you rather be doing this or that? Guys, so we are headed to our next stop, our third to last, and on this special stop right here is a little something for my dad. I want to get it for him. He's been asking about them, and I found them. I found them. So you guys get to see a little wildlife along with our trucking. Why do I keep hitting the freaking Jake brake? What's going on with me today? Ooh, ooh, come on. Yeah, man. I gotta make this light because I can't stop on these tracks. We're getting ready to hit the highway. You guys get a little bit of highway run, you know, and then I'll show you. We gonna swoop in and pull up. We gonna pull up. Show you something. Show you something, boy. Yeah. Just bear with me. Here we go. I'll never forget, right here as a kid, me and my friend Daniel, we got off of school and we had our BMX bikes. Like, we were like hardcore BMXers. I felt like it probably wasn't doing nothing big, but it felt awesome, you know what I mean? We, one day after school, put the books down after homework and hopped on our BMX bikes and rode down to the end of the street because we were like, you know what? We are about to do some downhill BMXing. That's what we called it, downhill BMXing. And neither one of us had brakes on our bike, so right away it was a bad idea. But you know, I was all outfitted out and everything. You know, we had the chucks with the cargo shorts. We thought we were badass, you know. And we got our bikes, went down there, and we started downhill, and picked up a pretty good amount of speed to the point where we could hear the wind around our ears and stuff. And that was our adrenaline rush. Right at the bottom of the hill, he started slowing down with his feet, and I started slowing down with my feet too. But I was like, you know what? There's like a little washout where the water goes through the sand and make like a big, like a nice sized fissure in the ground. And there was a log on the other side, but I seen there was like a little makeshift ramp and shit there too. So I was like, you know what? I can make that. So I picked my feet up and started pedaling faster, gaining some more speed right before the end of the bottom of the hill. And I remember lifting up on the handlebars, and I cleared, my front wheel cleared, but the back, I felt just a smidgen of lift in the back, and then I woke up on the ground. I woke up, it's my buddy, he's all like, Malcolm, wake up, wake up, wake up, get up. I said, huh? It was dirt all on the side of my face, dirt all in my pants. Like, I was just messy. I was all messed up on one side of my body, because that's the side that I landed on and passed out. I blacked out. I was out. There was weeds all in my helmet. I had to clean stuff out of my face, you know, and as I was doing that and dusting myself off, he says, oh my God, dude, look at your leg. I was like, what? He's like, yeah, your leg, look at your leg. I said, where? I'm looking around, I don't see it. I said, right there. He points at my shin, and there's like a nice cookie cut hole in the front of my shin like that. I'll show you guys the scar one day, but it was so perfectly round. It was a perfect round cookie cut out of my front of my shin, and it happened so fast till it didn't even have a chance to bleed yet. And so I don't know how long I was out, but after I came through and he told me and I seen that, I don't know why my instant reaction was to take my long tube socks and try to pull it over the wound, but I did that, and I tried to look for the piece of meat, but I couldn't find it. And even if I did find it, I'm pretty sure it wasn't sanitary to try, or safe as far as bacteria goes, to try to put it back. You know, I was scared more so what my mom was gonna say, because she's a big freak out when I get injured, especially something like that. And so we went ahead and walked our bikes back up the hill. I couldn't ride mine because my front wheel was all bent in half, my handlebars were all messed up and everything. And I'm kind of guessing that it was either it had to be the handlebars to do it, but the handlebars ain't even that big. It had to be like a peg or something, like a foot peg. It had to be. So then comes my auntie driving up the street. She just happened to be coming home, and I was like, hey, so what you guys doing? I'm riding our bikes and stuff. She's like, oh, having fun. I was like, yeah, but something happened. I was like, this right here. I showed her. She's like, oh my God. She said, that's gonna need stitches. I'm like, what is there to stitch? There's nothing to stitch. Can you go find it? I'm like, it's not gonna work. There's nothing to stitch. It's gonna have to, something, I don't know what, I don't know nothing. So I went back to the house and I was like, hey Mom, yeah, my leg. She says, what are we talking about? I said, my leg right here, look. She's like, where? I said, look. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Pete, wake up. Because my dad was taking a nap. He was taking a nap and stuff. Pete, wake up, come see what your son did. Oh my God. I was like, oh shit, here we go. So my dad, he wakes up and he comes in, and he's like, what the hell's going on? And he look, he's all like, see? Should have been wearing some man pants. I'm like, Dad, they're cargo shorts. What are you talking about? He's like, still didn't cover your damn leg, did it? It's like, well, you know, that's where I learned that I wear me some good old Wrangler skins. You know, I wore Wranglers on the regular, but when I was trying to be flexible and get full range of motion while doing my extreme BMX bike riding, I wore cargo shorts, and we all see how that played out for me. And I definitely learned a lesson from that. Definitely learned a big lesson from that. And from now on, you know, all I wear is jeans or Dickies, something nice and thick to give me good protection, because I ain't never seen nobody weld nothing in those short pants neither. So I can't even wear short pants doing that. I mean, people do it, but I ain't no stupid. Yep. Well, we just got off the freeway, guys, and we are headed to this spot to make a drop and a purchase. Business drop, personal purchase. it looks a little bit different from last time. I'm not sure this is the same. I don't know. I don't know. What's that line that Bugs Bunny says? It's a nice place, but I wouldn't want to live here. You want to do that? Oh, hey, Coast Aluminum, or Coast Aluminum. Let somebody that works there sees this video. 5 minutes to destination reach. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow down, don't do it. Oh, that's because we came from the far side. I usually jump over here. This is like Highway 41, I believe. Yeah, that's Highway 41. I used to live around this area, so I had it down packed, but I've been gone for a while, so. Taking that way on the way out, and headed to our next stop. One more stop in Fresno, and then we're going to be headed out to Newman. drop. Here we go. Do a little four-wheel drive with my CJ5. They're gonna have to come get this for me because I do not think I can get it off. So we're gonna stop and pop. Right here. All right, guys, here we go. So we got us some little quails. Oh, he's gonna love them. This is gonna be awesome, man. So we're gonna go ahead and put this over here. No, they're not gonna ride back here. I'm about to put them up front with me, so they got some AC and not be overheated. But right now we're just gonna put this pallet jack. Gotta get it back in the back of the truck because can't roll down the road like this, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's this place, Elm Feed. Come here and get all your feed, get all your animals. Dude, awesome. Okay guys, so we got our little quellies here safe and sound. Right in the middle, right here. So these guys are nice and put. They're not going nowhere. Hope these guys have a good ride. Got our AC on. It's not gonna be too cold. I got it sitting nice, good weather because they came out of the, you know, it's nice and hot out here. So just enough to keep me comfortable, not overheated, and keep these guys also comfortable and in good spirits too. All right, let's go. There's a freeway over there. I see it. Let's go get it.